Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I share with you two simple wall decor DIYs using these heart-shaped wood signs that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. For DIY number one, I'm using this jack-o'-lantern wood shape, 8 of the wooden hearts, and 1 of these 9-inch Dollar Tree mirrors. I'm using this Halloween jack-o'-lantern wood shape simply because it was the closest thing I could find to a circle. For my second layer of the wood pieces, I'm only using the larger section of the hearts. I then removed the mirror from its frame, and then I adjusted my wood pieces so that the mirror will sit directly in the center. Next, I added 2 coats of white acrylic paint. I've decided to glam up my design with these Dollar Tree gemstone stickers. For DIY number two, I've decided to make a larger version using this 16-inch wood round that I purchased from Etsy for around $8. For this DIY, I'm placing my second layer of the hearts down a little differently. I'm also adding 3 of the small hearts left over from DIY number 1. I ended up really liking this version of the design, so much so that I wanted to add the small hearts back to DIY number 1. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any more of these heart-shaped pieces at Dollar Tree, so I ended up using Dollar Tree foam board to trace out the small heart shapes, and I used those for my project instead. I decided against adding more of the gemstones to my larger piece. Instead, I'm using this silver metallic paint pen to outline my flower petals instead. And here's how both DIYs turned out. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.